to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. And go ahead and turn on that notification bell. That way, whenever I upload something new, you will always get a notification. So you guys might recognize this bedroom. This is actually the guest bedroom, but the last time you seen it, it was a mustard yellow color. So we have painted and made a few changes in here. And we really wanted to spruce up the space so it would be nice and comfortable, because there's nothing worse than having to stay a few days over at someone's house and it just isn't inviting and welcoming and comfortable. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to give your guest bedroom that hotel cozy, inviting, most importantly, comfortable feel. The first thing I would recommend is having a comfortable mattress. So I know normally with the guest bedroom, everyone normally throws the old mattress that nobody's using anymore. It's hard, it's saggy, and it's just uncomfortable. And if you're on a hunt for a new mattress and you want to save some coins, I would highly recommend to check out Mattress Firm. Right now they're having their big price drop sale, so you can get a king size bed for the size of a queen and a queen size bed for the price of any twin size bed. So that's a really great deal, and the sale does end on June 5th, so be sure to check it out. I will have a link listed below. So we ended up going with the sort of Eye Comfort Blue, and this is a very comfortable mattress. It has really nice support, it has a cooling feature, it has pressure point relief, and we did go into Mattress Firm and we got to try out the different mattresses. So we decided to go with this one, and it is a king size bed because, like I was telling you earlier, right now at Mattress Firm you can get a king size bed for the price of a queen size bed. But I think that's a really great deal, and it's a way to save some coins. You can get you a comfortable mattress and you don't have to throw the old saggy mattress that nobody wants into the guest bedroom, because you always want to make sure that your guests are comfortable, because I hate going over to someone's house and having to sleep on a hard, uncomfortable mattress, especially when you have to stay for a few days. Your back will be hurting when you leave and you're just like, oh my gosh, I'm so ready to get back home. So I think it's important to have that comfortable mattress so that everyone sleeps great even when they're just over for a few days. So the next thing I would say is have an inviting bed. So whenever your guests come through the door, they come into the guest bedroom, the first thing they're going to notice is the bed. So you want to make sure that it looks very nice and cozy and inviting. And I know a lot of times with bedding, comforters can get very expensive. Like normally a good comforter set will cost you about $100. So what I normally like to do is just use a quilt, and quilts look very nice on your bed, but they're not going to break the bank. Still going to give your bed a very nice and inviting feeling. I also like to make sure that I'm using white crisp sheets. I feel like white sheets are always easier because after you have to wash them, you can add as much Clorox as you need just to make sure that you're getting them really clean, but you don't have to worry about staining the sheets or anything like that. So I always recommend using white sheets. I even use white sheets on our bed because it's just so much easier that way. And then I would also say make sure that you add pillows, different sizes, different shapes, and that's definitely going to give your bed a more inviting feel. And then I always like to add some type of throw blanket as well, just to kind of help it look a little bit more cozy. So whenever I was decorating this bedroom, I didn't want to spend extra money buying additional furniture and additional pieces to accessorize with. So one thing I would highly recommend is using items that you already have. So I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the times I will have a few pieces laying around the house that really don't have a real home. So I decided to incorporate some of those pieces into this room. So I do have a small vanity in here, so it didn't really have anything going on. So I thought it would be really nice to add this orchid plant, and then also these cute little elephants that you guys got a sneak peek of in a haul video that I filmed not too long ago. And I think these elephants look really cute in here. At first I was going to return the elephants, but I was like, those will look so cute in the guest bedroom, and I really love the extra vibe that it gives in here, and I just think it looks really nice. And I also decided to incorporate a little foot bench. Originally I was going to go buy another one, then I remembered that I had one in my closet that that I really wasn't using. So I decided to go ahead and bring it down here, and I think it looks really nice. And I feel like it really pulls everything together with the bed and the bedding and all of that. So I really like the way that it looks in here. So yeah, whenever you're decorating a new space and you're thinking you might have to buy an additional piece of furniture or some decor pieces to decorate with, I would highly recommend just shopping what you already have, because 9 times out of 10 you might have some items that don't really have a home that you could incorporate in the space that you're decorating. And the last tip that I have for you guys that I think is definitely going to make your guest bedroom much more inviting is to make sure that you have snacks available in the bedroom. Yes, girl, have a snack for a snack. I promise you guys, your guests will definitely thank you for this. And this is super duper simple, and it does not have to be expensive. You can literally ask your guests what type of snacks they like. Go to the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree, because you can get snacks for the low price there. Of course, everything is $1, so you're not gonna have to spend a ton of money on stuff. So yeah, just ask them what their favorite snacks are. Get you a cute little basket and fill that basket up with all of their snacks. Be sure to incorporate some water as well, and you can put it on their nightstand or somewhere that they will see it, maybe the bed, and I promise you, they will thank you for it. Because if they tend to get hungry at night, like if they get the munchies or they want a midnight snack or anything, they don't have to go rambling through your pantry and your cabinet. They can literally just go over to the nightstand and they have a box full of goodies. So I think this tip is so important. And this tip, along with having a comfortable mattress, will probably be the 2 tips that your guests hope you use the most. So yeah, so that's all the tips I have for you guys today. And don't forget, if you are on the hunt for a new mattress, to be sure to check out Mattress Firm, because they are having their big price drop sale right now. So you can get that king size bed for the price of a queen, and any queen size bed for the price of a twin size bed. So there is a link below in case you guys are interested in checking it out. And if you guys would like for me to do a tour on the guest bedroom, then be sure to let me know, and I will definitely share with you guys. I do have a few more pieces that I need to add, but for the most part, it is done and ready for you guys to see. So if you guys are interested in seeing a tour, then be sure to let me know. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!